Today we talk about how can you select symptoms order on your Clover app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click your InDesign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click here on symptoms here order, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you select here symptoms order in this list here on your Clover app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to, so when you want to select here, so just click on this and you swipe it here up, then it's going to add video here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.